Herkese merhabalar. We are going to talk about Turkish colors in this video. Renklerden bahsedeceğiz bu videoda. Renkler, colors, renk, color. Before I dive in, I want to explain the board a little bit. Here we have our colors, and here in blue ink I mentioned the old Turkic versions for these words. Some we still use and some we don't. We do use these words, but we use them for different meanings. So I will mention those things, and then we will learn how to make the meaning intensified. So let's start with kırmızı. Means red. It also means al. Al. Kırmızı. Al. You can use both. 99% of the time you will see kırmızı, but you have to know this as well. An example would be al yanaklı kız. The girl with red cheeks. Or our Turkish flag is kırmızı ve beyaz. It's al ve ak. Beyaz, white. Also ak. Beyaz or ak. Ak, to give an example for ak, people say alnımın akıyla yaptım. Meaning you did something with pure intentions, no regrets. All all your grits and everything, alnımın akı, like you're proud of what you've done. It's all coming from somewhere pure. So that's what it means, alnımın akı. Doing something with the whiteness of your forehead, basically. Let's move on. Siyah is black. We also have our word for it, kara. So kara can either mean something dark or it can mean black. So let's say you say kara saçlı kız, the girl with dark hair. Mavi. In old Turkish, people would say kök or gök, meaning sky. So mavi, blue, was sky, but we literally use that as sky today. It doesn't mean mavi, but it just means sky. Kök means root in today's Turkish. Gri is a French word, gray. It used to be boz, but we don't use that anymore. That's a different word that we use for a different meaning. Gri is a French word. And then we have lacivert, dark blue. Pembe, pink. Pembe, this is a Farsi word. Lacivert might be Farsi as well. And then mor is the same as Greek. I think this is derived from Greek. They say mauve. We said mor for purple. Sarı is a Turkish word. It means yellow. It used to be sarı with a soft G, so it became sarı. Turuncu is a Farsi word. It comes from turunç, I think. We also use that for a fruit, and it means orange. Turuncu. Yeşil is a Turkish word. It means green. Kahverengi, I mentioned this when I was explaining the consonant softening rule. Kahverengi is brown. It literally means coffee color. And then we have turquoise. Well, we have a bunch of other colors as well, but turquoise comes from French, meaning Turkish. They named this when Europeans were obsessed with this beautiful greenish, bluish Turkish stone that they used to call, and so they called it turquoise. So it's a Turkish blue, basically, and it really mirrors our waters as well. We have the most beautiful turquoise seas, denizler, like the Aegean Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. Turkey is surrounded by 3 different seas: the Black Sea, Aegean Sea, or the Mediterranean. The Black Sea is different. Its salt content is also extremely different than the Mediterranean waters. That's why I'm saying Aegean and Mediterranean seas actually mirror this turquoise color. But yeah, that's basically where it comes from. And then the Turkish stone that they used to call is called firuze. Firuze. So when you want to say something is dark, you can use kara, but to really be able to mention if something or if a color is light or dark, you say açık veya koyu. Açık veya koyu. Veya is or, okay? Açık veya koyu. Açık is light, koyu is dark. To give an example, you can say açık mavi, light blue, or dark blue. So you can say koyu lacivert, even though lacivert means dark blue. You can say it's even darker blue. So koyu lacivert, koyu pembe, açık pembe, koyu mor, açık sarı, whatever. This part is a little different. You just have to memorize how this works. This doesn't apply to all the colors. It's just some of them, and we'll just go through, and if you have any questions, just please ask the internet. It's easy, but you have to memorize these. So kırmızı is red, right? When you want to say bright red, you have to say kıpkırmızı. Usually the first two letters come as a prefix, and then it will also have another letter there as a third letter, but you just have to memorize them. They will never change. This is it. But like, let's say yemyeşil, you see Y-E-Y-E-M. That's why I'm saying like you have to memorize, because there's no rule to this. It's just as it is. So bright red, kıpkırmızı. Prefixes intensify the meaning here. Masmavi, very blue, deep blue. Masmavi. Yemyeşil, very green. Pespembe, super pink. So let's make all these colors intensified. Kırmızı, kıpkırmızı. Beyaz, bembeyaz. Bembeyaz. Siyah, simsiyah. Mavi, masmavi. Gri. This is different. You have to say gupgri. So it doesn't necessarily follow GR. It's gupgri. G-I-P-G-R-I. G-U-P-G-R-I. Lacivert. You cannot intensify it. You cannot add a prefix there. Pembe. Pespembe. Mor. Mosmor. Sarı. Sapsarı. Turuncu. Tupturuncu. Yeşil. Yemyeşil. Kahverengi. Again, you cannot add a prefix here. Turquoise, you cannot add a prefix here. So you have to know which ones you can, which ones you cannot. Like Bordeaux, you cannot add one. But these are the most known, most basic colors, and some more. So yeah, you just have to memorize. Let's give some examples. Alright, bir pembe ev. The rule here is going to follow English. We have number, color, and noun. So bir pembe ev is one pink house. One pink house. Üç kırmızı kitap. Üç is three. Kırmızı kitap. Kitap is book. So three red books. Dokuz bembeyaz kuğu. Kuğu means swan. So 9 pure white swans. It's very easy and straightforward. Let's say I have a blue backpack. Benim Mavi bir sırt çantam var. I talked about personal pronouns also in one of my videos. Benim mavi bir sırt çantam var. You don't have to say benim. Mavi bir sırt çantam var already means I own a blue backpack. This means I have a blue backpack. Mavi, blue. Bir, one. Sırt çantam, backpack. Çanta can mean purse or backpack. Sırt literally means back. So here it means backpack. But this can be a purse as well. Çanta. Sırt çantam indicates my backpack. And here, these are two separate words. Var is there is or I have in this context. So izlediğiniz için çok teşekkürler. See you in the next video.